And I'm back with another trade recap. Today's Monday. Oh, it's No News Monday, January 26th. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over price action today. I did not end up taking anything, but there's definitely like one, maybe two trades that are worth taking. So let me go over price action real quick and what I wanted to see. So boom, and keep in mind my singular Apex account is up. I'll just say it's up 0.5 R right now because I took one win and one loss last week, so it's up 0.5 R. Um, and then yeah, my goal is to try to get a payout within like next month or so. So yeah, I just ran 9 miles, personal best ever. The most I've ran like 2 months ago was my best ever, and it was like a mile. And then like 2 weeks ago I did like 6.5, and then I just did 9 miles, and I'm absolutely dead. But it felt so great, so it was worth it. But let's go over price action. So pretty much I liked pre-market better than I liked actual AM session because pretty much pre-market we have all this displacement upwards, and then we inverted this fair value gap with this candle right here. So the drawn liquidity should easily be this hourly high. So pretty much just want to see any long to it. We retap this 15-minute gap. Then we did get a 1 minute long right here. I'm not even gonna lie, I was looking at this trying to take it, but like the entry happened so quickly, this candle. Like I think like in the last like 10 seconds this candle was pumped up and I wasn't even paying attention. And then that was the entry, and then it went up and won. So that's pretty unfortunate. There's also a good setup like down here. There's like longs here, we got equal highs here. So pre-market was really good, but I wasn't even awake. Actually, I was awake here, but I just don't like looking at the charts that early. So yeah, didn't see this trade. I did look at this trade, almost took it, but missed the entry. So yeah. So longs were more obvious, and then coming in AM, we like took the main draw on liquidity, which is this hourly high. So like I like the bias or draw wasn't like that obvious, but I was just bullish pretty much. I was still just bullish based off how everything's looking, how bullish this momentum is. So as bullish, wanted to see longs. I just also didn't see us reversing here. Like it just doesn't make sense to me. So coming to market open, I did want to see longs. And then boom, we did get a long. This is the best trade of the day, 100%. So boom, off open, we came down, retrace into this 15-minute gap, and then got a continuation long. The entry was like here somewhere. The thing is, maybe the trade wasn't that bad. Well, the thing is, like if the risk reward was better, I would have taken this, but that's low key the main reason I didn't take it, because I didn't like the risk reward in this. Because like I usually put my stop losses at swing lows, and like if I put my stop at swing low here, it's only 0.8 R to the side, and then like the risk reward is just not there, and I would just be like gambling, honestly, like that it goes further. So I just really didn't like the risk reward here. I definitely could have seen myself taking it just like with a tighter stop. I'm not exactly sure where the 30-second entry was. I'm guessing like it was like around here, but yeah, this was trade of the day. Reacting off 15-second, 9:30 just swing down, clean inverse up, targeting an hourly high. So yeah, if it was a different day, like it literally just depends on the day. Honestly, it might sound crazy, but like depending on the day, I take this. Today, I just didn't think it was worth because of the risk reward, but yeah. And then I would have got break even anyway, and then TP would have hit, so saved me from crashing out on a break even trade at least. So that's cool. And then nothing much really happened. We were just bullish. We didn't get any more entries besides the 30-second long. I also don't like taking 30 seconds when there's like no 1 minute. That's also like a big thing. I wanted to see shorts after we swept this hourly high. I wanted to see shorts right here, but there was no fair value gaps on that whole leg. So yeah, that's pretty much it, honestly. I don't think there's this long here. I mean, equal low, so I didn't like it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Only good trade was this 30-second long, which I definitely could have taken. I'd say it's like an A setup in my opinion. So yeah, man, I think that's probably gonna be the video. So once again, I'm trading one account right now. I'm I'm gonna wait until it's up a good bit to buy more evals, but it's a 0.5R from last week. Since last week was my first week on it, so I'm just gonna be patient, trade more discretionally than I usually do. Wait for those light bulb setups. Like this was honestly like a light bulb setup, but risk reward wasn't really there, so I didn't take it. But other than that, I think that's about it. We got another no news day tomorrow. Then I think we have news Wednesday. Then I'm not sure about the rest of the week. So yeah, man, I think that's about it. I'm gonna wrap this up here. Make sure to follow my TikTok. Wait, because I just made a new TikTok. Let me pull it up because I post like running. I talk about me running, me lifting, me just like trading, just everything really. So here, it's Tyler Trades P2. Tyler Trades P2. So Tyler Trades Part 2. I'm just sort of like spamming on this one. So yeah, man. I think that's gonna be a video. If you made it till the end, comment Tyler Trades P2, and that's gonna be it. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll post another trader recap. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Peace.